mobile power distribution needs of businesses are evolving. Today's competitive establishments demand power solutions that are easily accessible, durable, and portable at their facility. Our MGL Portable Power Distribution Series are designed to meet these requirements. We recently upgraded this series with a handful of new features, providing even more flexibility and mobility at work sites. Here are some of the new features in action. NEMA 3R in-use cover. System components are accessible via a heavy-duty weatherproof flip cover. Operators simply lift up the cover to access receptacles and breakers. The cover serves as a NEMA 3R weatherproof shield in rugged environments when locked in an upward position. Enhanced protection. Vibration isolators ensure wiring components between the transformer and panel are protected from damage and do not have to be replaced often. Breakers in the system are also protected by vibration isolators. Faster build times and easy maintenance. The MGL Portable Power Series has been upgraded for faster build times and easy maintenance, allowing you to meet tight deadlines with ease and take on more projects. The MGL Mobile Power Distribution Series is protected by a TGIC polyester powder coat finish, which offers long-term protection from corrosion, moisture, debris, sunlight, and other outdoor elements. Standard models come in blue, and we offer custom colors. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.